Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Revolut Metal Card. Alright, let's begin. Launched in 2020, this exclusive offering from the fintech giant Revolut stands out in the crowded market of digital banking. With its sleek metal design and array of benefits, it aims to cater to frequent travelers and savvy spenders alike. Now, one of the main attractions of the Revolut Metal Card is its design. Weighing 18 grams and made from a single sheet of steel, the card is available in 5 different finishes: space gray, silver, gold, rose gold, and black metal. This elegant appearance not only looks fantastic, but also sets it apart from the plastic cards many of us are accustomed to. However, beauty is not the only selling point. The Revolut Metal Card also offers some attractive financial features, including cashback options. Cardholders can earn cashback at a rate of 0.1% for purchases made within Europe, and 1% for those made outside of Europe. However, the maximum cashback you can earn is capped at £14.99 a month, which is the same amount as the monthly fee for the card. Speaking of fees, the Revolut Metal Card comes with a monthly cost of £14.99 or the equivalent in your local currency. While this may seem steep, it is one of the most affordable options available among similar metal card offerings. In addition to the card fee, users can withdraw up to £800 in cash each month without incurring any fees, which is an increase from the £400 limit offered on the premium plan. Additionally, if your flight is delayed for more than an hour, you and your 3 companions are entitled to complimentary airport lounge passes. This perk can significantly enhance your travel experience by providing a comfortable space to relax while waiting for your flight. Another noteworthy feature of the Revolut Metal Card is its savings option. Users can open savings vaults which allow them to earn interest on their deposits. In the United Kingdom, you can earn up to 4% annual percentage yield, which is quite competitive compared to traditional savings accounts. In conclusion, the Revolut Metal Card presents an appealing blend of style, functionality, and value, especially for those who travel frequently or spend significantly. Its competitive cashback rates, travel insurance benefits, and stylish design make it a strong contender in the premium card market. So that's basically all about Revolut Metal Card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.